Boys, welcome back to a new video. Hope everyone is doing good. As you can see behind me is my 3 Series, and in today's video we're going to be restoring it basically, because I think I might sell it or I might keep it. I don't know, I'm in two minds about it. So let me show you what we're going to do today. Okay, so we've got an array of parts here on the floor, but the main thing we're doing is this bumper. That was £600 including paint, so don't ruin your bumper, guys, because that's not even genuine either. If you were to go BMW, you would get absolutely fisted. And then we've got the grills and fog light holders and stuff. Underneath that is a under tray, that is a arch liner, and then over here we have front and rear brake-wear sensors and a passenger window switch because mine's broken. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. Right, so the bumper is just about to come off. I should probably pull the grills out first. Please don't break. One. You got my ET specs, not specs. Hey, we didn't break it. We can rip the bumper off. And there we go, there's a bumper on. So now all I need to do is just put the grills in, the fog lights and the headlight washer covers, and then it should be good to go. There we go, that's all the grills in, all the fog lights and the headlight washer covers. And then I've just got this fog light to plug in. And there we go. Now I just need to put this thing back together. And then she's all done. Look at my dirty fingerprints. Just gonna do the brake-wear sensors and then the window switch, and then I'm done. Alright boys, so the final thing to do is just replace this, well, wire in this new passenger window switch. Right, hopefully that now works. There you go. Beautiful. Boys, so it's the next weekend. I'm back with Oscar. We're just having a fire right now in the forest, just chilling, actually not working on cars for once. And yeah, I still don't know what to do with my car, whether to sell it or keep it, but it's taken me a week to decide if I want to sell it or keep it, so I don't know what I'm going to do. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. next video is a car reveal. So yeah, see you guys in the next vid. Have a good one.